Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the home city on your Casio G-Shock watch. Today we have the Casio GA100, but this tutorial is going to apply for a bunch of Casio G-Shock watches out there. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 4 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and the first thing that we can actually set is the home city. As you can see, we have Rome, so the abbreviation, and if I press the forward button, it is going to send me to the next city. So we have Berlin, then we have Stockholm, and so on, Athens. I can even go in the other directions, as you can see, Paris, Madrid, London, Lisbon, and so on. So once you find the correct city or the city that matches your time zone, you can stop there and you can leave the correct time zone that you want. I am also going to leave a link in the description box below with a list of all the time zones so you can check them out and choose the correct time zone for your city or country depending on where you are. Once you want to end the process, you can press the adjust button. If you want to toggle even more, so to go through other options, you can use the mode button, and once everything is done, you are going to press the adjust button and you are done. You have successfully set the home city on your Casio G-Shock watch. Now I'm going to have a full guide on how to use all the functions and features on this particular model, so the Casio G-Shock GA100. If you want to watch it, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. And also guys, if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.